Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a doc or docs using ClickUp. You want to take notes or you want to write some kind of documentation or something like that, then these are the ways how you can actually do it. So one way is to actually click the account on the upper right hand side. And in the list here, you will see under personal tools, create docs. Now, if you click on that, it's going to open up where you can give your docs a names, like a quick page view here. You can give it a name, you can start right and so forth, and just kind of use it here. And here you can make it private or public, really up to you. Right, so this is one where you can quickly write a docs, and you can even use AI to write there as well. Now, another way how to do that is on the left hand side, you may or may not see docs appear. And if you're not seeing it, just simply click on more, then click on customize your navigation. And here you will have docs. It may be unchecked, so you can add it there by checking the box and it will appear. Right? Once you're done, just simply click the X there. And now you'll have docs on the left hand side, so you can simply go ahead and add it by clicking that, and it's going to open up a section right here where you have everything that you need for docs, really, right? So project overview, meeting notes, wiki, and all those good stuff, right? And you can easily go ahead and create those docs, and you will be able to find your docs is at the bottom afterwards once you go to my docs or all, whichever. So to create a new docs, just simply click on the new docs here on the left hand side. That's going to open up a new docs page where you can name this whatever you want. So I'm going to call this one Drew tutorial, for example. And whatever, you can start writing whatever you want, right? So I'm going to say start writing. Simple as that, right? So this is it. You can start write whatever you want. You'll have your docs, you have your your customization, your page style right here on the left hand side, comments as well. You have some relationship templates as well that you can do. You can export the page if you so desire, right? At the top you'll see that you have, for example, you can add a cover, you can go into the settings, you can add icons. So if you want to add some icons, you can always add it, right? You can change the icon as well if you click on that and so forth, add emojis and all those good stuff. It's really up to you what you choose to do, right? And so guys, that's all. You can really go ahead and start writing with it, right? So very easy stuff, right? Now once you're done guys, you don't even have to really save it. You don't really have to save it. It's saved by itself, and you can always go ahead and find those docs by, if you click on the upper left hand side, you'll find docs. It's going to take you back to the home page of docs, and if you scroll down, you'll have all your docs right here. And that's pretty much it. So you can easily create your docs by doing that. And that's it, guys.